Hello viewers, today I am going to share you three methods of insertion and deletion of columns and row in MS Excel. Creating column through this way you would have never seen it. Also don't miss the last two methods and choose the one which is convenient to you. So let's go to the screen to watch it. Now Excel is open, select the first row, and when the arrow becomes double-ended, you can also see the picture with under red text. So drag it down. So I am dragging it to a single row. Click on OK and a row is created. Now let me undo it and let's do and select the row and create multiple rows. It become double-ended, drag it to the desired way and multiple rows are selected. Now let's go and create some columns through this way, but for this you would have to unmerge the cell in case if it's available. So it's unmerged. Now select the column, and when the arrow becomes double-ended, drag it towards left. You are also watching the image of the double-ended arrow under red text. Single row a column has been created. Now we will create multiple columns. Again, drag it to the desired area you wish and multiple columns are added. This is the most fastest method. Now to delete the column, select a row, and when the mouse icon become double-ended, go in reverse direction. The same way if there are multiple row, again go the reverse direction, symbol is available. Now let's merge the cell because it won't affect the upcoming insertion or deletion. Click on the row and press from your keyboard Control key plus sign from your keyboard. Now give it a range and again press Control with plus sign from your keyboard and multiple rows are selected. Now let's go and create some rows. Click on row, Control with plus sign together. So single row is created. Now give it a range or multiple row. Control with plus sign together from your keyboard and multiple rows are selected. Now to delete a row, click and Control minus from your keyboard. If more rows are selected, Control with minus key from your keyboard. Now let's see the next method. Right click and insert. So single row is inserted. Now give it a range and press insert. So multiple rows are selected. The same way you can insert column. Click on column, right click, insert, single column is selected, and again go and give it a range, right click, insert, and multiple columns are selected. To delete a single column, right click, delete. If more columns is selected, right click, delete. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel.